yeah, don't forget to do the subscribe and click the bell button. Let's get started. To make it, first you take a color paper in this way. Then you fold small. Then you take the back, fold. Now I have already folded. Then take a paper which is a double size of this and this. Then you put glue on them and stick like this. And when it sticks, it will look like this. Then you take a dwarf shape to make the fire. Then you put some glue little bit here. Then you stick it there. Now our diya is ready. Please don't forget to do the like and don't forget to do the subscribe. And I hope you like this video. There will be more on YouTube. Bye everyone, and come next day with new videos. Stay safe. Bye.